Hello, children. Welcome back to the last class of this chapter, that is space mission. Okay, so students, let me tell you one thing, that please watch all the tutorial videos because everything is connected to each other. I'm not talking about only this chapter, I'm talking about all the chapters tutorial videos which have been uploaded on LMS. You have to watch everything. ठीक है, otherwise you will not able to gain the knowledge whatever is there in the textbook. ठीक है, okay. So in our last class we have learned about a very basic things, that is high earth orbit, okay, medium earth orbit and low earth orbit. Okay, so I have already told you to remember three points of this three earth orbits. Okay, the first point is related to their height, how much height they will able to reach. Okay, then the second point is related to what, the time, how much time it takes to complete one revolution, and the third point is the uses of every orbit. ठीक है, yes. Then we have seen satellite launch vehicle and how it works. Okay, so here we have learned that the major part of this vehicle consists of what, fuel. Okay, it consists of fuel and the satellite is placed at the upper part of the vehicle. ठीक है, then the space mission away from the earth, there we have seen escape velocity का formula, that is root of 2 gm upon r. And here the last two lines of your page number 141, that is the minimum velocity should be 11.2 kilometer per second. Yes, so till this we have learned in our last class. Now this class is all about self study. Okay, whatever is there in textbook you just have to read and you have to remember and mark it out, very basic things, very important things. ठीक है, so here moon mission. You all know that moon is the closest astronomical object to us. Yes, moon जो है वो earth से closest है. The first space mission to object in the solar system were the mission to the moon. Okay, तो सबसे पहले जो mission हुआ था, that is mission to the moon. So such mission have so far been executed by USA, okay, and European countries, China, Japan and India also. Yes, the spacecrafts in the Luna series sent by Soviet Union research near the moon. तो ये जो spacecraft है वो कौन से यूनियन ने भेजा था, that is Soviet Union. ठीक है, then the Luna 2 launched in 1959 was the first such craft. After that what happened, 15 spacecraft made chemical analysis of the moon and also measured its gravity, डेंसिटी एंड रेडिएशन. तो ये स्पेसक्राफ्ट ने क्या किया, मून में जाके इट कलेक्ट सो मेनी इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट मून. ओके, इट डिड द केमिकल एनालिसिस ऑफ द मून, also measure the gravity, then density and the radiations. ठीक है, so it collects all the information related to moon. Now last 4 crafts even landed on the moon and brought the samples of stones on the moon for analysis in the laboratory. तो लास्ट के जो 4 क्राफ्ट्स थे उन्होंने मून में जाके क्या क्या किया, सो इट ब्रॉट सम सैम्पल्स ऑफ स्टोन ऑन द मून फॉर एनालिसिस इन द लेबोरेटरीज. तो वहाँ से स्टोन के सैम्पल लेके यहाँ आके लेबोरेटरीज में एनालिसिस किया. नाउ अमेरिका ऑल्सो एक्सिक्यूटेड मून मिशन फ्रॉम वेयर 1962 to 1972. Okay, the speciality of this missions was that some of this were manned mission. ठीक है, तो some जो है वो सक्सेसफुल हो गए. ओके, सो इन जुलाई 1969 Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on the moon. Okay, this is very important. You have to remember this, that who is the first human to step on the moon. So what is the answer? That is Neil Armstrong. And in 2008 Indian Space Research Organization, that is a full form of ISRO, okay, successfully launched Chandrayaan-1 and placed it into an orbit around the moon. तो मून मिशन में क्या लॉन्च किया? चंद्रयान-1. ओके, रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट. So it sent useful information to Earth for about a year. And the most important discovery made during the mission was the presence of water on the moon surface. तो Chandrayaan-1 से what information we got, that is the presence of water on the moon surface. Okay, तो moon के surface में water जो है वो present है, इसका information हमें मिला through the Chandrayaan-1. Okay, and India was the first country to discover this. Okay, now the second is Mars mission. Now here you all know that next to the moon, the astronomical object nearest to the earth is Mars. Okay, so many nations send spacecraft to the Mars. Yes, Mars mission is difficult and almost half the missions were unsuccessful. तो मार्स में जितने भी मिशन हुए थे वो सब डिफ़िकल्ट थे एंड हाफ जो है वो अनसक्सेसफुल रहे. हाउएवर, द इसरो's परफॉर्मेंस इन दिस मिशन इज़ रिमार्केबल and we all must proud of it. Yes, we are proud of it. Okay, so the spacecraft Mangalyaan made by ISRO using minimum expenses was launched in November 2013. तो मार्स मिशन में क्या लॉन्च हुआ था? मंगलयान. Okay, and it obtained what? It obtained very useful information about the surface of Mars and the atmosphere around it. तो इसमें से कौन सा information मिला? That is about the surface of Mars and atmosphere about it, कि कौन से टाइप का atmosphere है वहाँ पे, क्या होता है. So yes, that is related to the Mars mission. Okay, now mission to the other planets. अभी moon mission हो गया, Mars mission is also done. Now mission to the other planets. So many missions have been executed to study other planets also. In some of these missions, the spacecraft orbit the planet. Some landed on the planet and some just passed near the planet and observed them. तो बहुत सारे ऐसे मिशंस हो गए. फ्रॉम देम क्या हुआ? कुछ स्पेसक्राफ्ट वो उसने रिवॉल्व किया प्लैनेट के अराउंड. सम जो है वो सिर्फ लैंडेड हो गए ऑन द प्लैनेट एंड सम जस्ट पास नियर द प्लैनेट एंड इट डिड ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ द प्लैनेट. सो spacecraft have been sent to observe asteroids and comets, and they have successfully collected some dust and stones from the asteroids and brought them back into the earth. तो कहा उसमें से क्या उन्होंने वो क्या लेके आए? वॉट इन्फॉर्मेशन दे हैव कलेक्टेड अबाउट सम डस्ट एंड स्टोन्स फ्रॉम वॉट? एस्ट्रॉइड्स. So we are getting very useful information from all these missions, clearing our concepts about the origin and evolution of solar system. So from these missions, what we are getting? We are getting information about solar system, origin, evolution of solar system. Yes. Okay. Now India and space technology. Students, India has made remarkable progress in the science and technology and launch of vehicles. So various types of vehicles have been developed to put the satellite having weight up to 22,500 kg. Okay, so here PSLV and GSLV are the two important launchers. What is the full form of PSLV? That is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, and GSLV, which means Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. Okay, yes. So the scientific and technological feats achieved by India in the field have significant contribution to this development. Basically space technology ने बहुत सारा progress किया है. Yes, here you can see the television, from the television broadcasting, communication, everywhere we can see the progress. Here EDUSAT. So this satellite in this series is used specially in the field of what? Education. तो ये वाला सैटेलाइट जो है वो कौन से फील्ड में यूज़ होता है? दैट इज़ द फील्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन. ठीक है. सो इंडिया एंड स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी के रिलेटेड क्या है? दैट इज़ गिवन इन दिस पैराग्राफ. Now the last topic, that is space debris and its management. What do you mean by space debris? Which means the unwanted parts which are there in the space. That is space का जो waste होता है, that is or else you can see the garbage which is there in the space. Okay, So in addition to the artificial satellite, some other objects are also revolving around the earth. It includes what here you can see non-functional satellite. They don't function, they don't have any kind of function, they are non-functional. Okay, parts of the launcher detached during the launching, and the debris generated due to the collision of satellite. Collision which means what, when the satellites collides with each other. तो वो जो unwanted part है, वो जो waste है, that everything is came under space debris. Okay. Yes, so this debris can be harmful to the artificial satellite. Yes, it can collide with these satellites or spacecraft and damage them. तो ये क्या होता है, अगर हम किसी spacecraft को भेजते हैं तो ये जो है, ये जो अनवांटेड पार्ट है वो उनके साथ कोलाइड होके, उनका कोलिजन होके इट कैन हार्म और इट कैन डैमेज देम. So this debris is increasing day by day. Soon it will be difficult to launch the new spacecraft. It is therefore very essential to manage the debris, to manage the waste which is there in the space. Okay, so some studies and experiments are being done with this in this view. Hope that we will clear this everything also, as our space technology, our science is increasing day by day. Okay. Yes, so today we have seen moon mission, Mars mission, mission to the other planets, India and space technology. After that, space debris and its management. Okay, student, go through each and every point from the textbook. Okay, if you don't understand, read and read and read. Okay, watch the tutorial videos very carefully and sit with your textbook while watching the videos. Thank you.